Hey, do you know how much your e-trike weighs? It's kind of important to know when you're out there shopping for an e-trike rack because you don't want to buy a rack that's underrated for the weight of the trike that you have. And so in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to find the weight by using a simple bathroom scale. All you need to do is take your bathroom scale and simply stick it underneath each tire. So we're going to roll this up on here, set it down, we're going to check our weight, and we're right at 45 pounds. So we know, because it's the back of a trike, chances are this one is about 45 pounds as well, but we're just going to double check. We are on a little bit of a slant here, so that's going to account into things a little bit, but sure, we're at 45 pounds. Now let's go ahead and check the front. Moving up here to the front, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go ahead and check the front tire and see where it's at. Calculating. And it's right at 35 pounds. So we know this trike weighs about 125 pounds. And the racks over here at Hitch Rack Pro, they're capable of hauling up to 200 pounds. So keep that in mind when you go out there and you're wanting to find out the weight of your trike. You can check the manufacturer's website, but it's not always accurate. Plus, you may have made changes by changing out the saddle or the seat and putting something much heavier. Maybe you've added tool bags or baskets or other accessories. So it's important to know exactly what your trike weighs.